This video guide is about getting rid of the fake human verification alerts related to the website onevanadvllc.com. If you see these pop-ups, keep in mind that they are totally faulty and truly deceptive. Onevanadvllc.com displays fake human verification alerts. It tries to make you click on a special allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. But clicking on allow is very dangerous, and this may hijack the browser with multiple pop-ups. To deactivate these pop-ups ads, you need to fix your browser. So access the menu, Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. In Permissions, select Notifications. Pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications and remove this malicious site if you find it. I also recommend that you carefully research your device with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com and download it, install it, and then start researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.